Hi friends, day number 4, cropping tool. If you see this cropping tool, that will be like cropping the page sizes. Just click and drag which portion that you want. Then if you press on this tick mark, will be like only that page will be cropped. In the same time, you can expand this image also. Just single click, you can expand a little bit like this. Press on the content aware option and just press on the tick mark, will be like some places will be expanded without the generative fill. But note that you cannot expand too much like this. That will be like repeating areas will be shown. So expand this image slowly and you will get some more better visuals. That's the end of day number 4. Let's meet at day number 5 and follow us for more.